Hey people of Earth, welcome to Cole's Corner. Today we are going to be taste testing Pop-Tarts. This is
but that one isn't cooked.
Chocolate peanut butter.
We're cooking the one. We're cooking.
Let him tell him. Let him tell.
This one isn't a cooked one. It's just a plain one, and we're cooking the ones in the toaster.
Yeah,
just
that's
hold on a
beside the
minute.
camera.
We're going to eat it soon.
And this is the chocolate peanut butter Pop-Tart, but we also have frosted strawberry. It's in the toaster. We don't have a raw one, or we would be opening a new one, and we're gonna eat this after the video.
Yep, we are. So,
which one do you guys think you're gonna like better? The chocolate and peanut butter one?
Chocolate and peanut butter.
Or the frosted strawberry one?
Frosted strawberry.
Oh, so you think you're gonna like the chocolate, you think you're gonna like the strawberry, but we will have to wait and see after you try them. Maybe you guys will switch. Maybe you'll both like one, or maybe you'll both like both of them equally. Who knows?
So let's put this in the middle.
All I know is eating one of those when it's not cooked can't be as good as when they're all warmed up.
Yeah, it isn't. But when's the toaster gonna pop up?
How long does a toaster take, do you think? Why don't you guys count down?
5,
From 10.
10, 9,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
5, 10, 9.
Did you guys like that trick?
7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
You should unplug
2,
it first.
1.
You should always be careful when it comes out of the toaster because Cole, why? Bless you.
Because it might be hot.
It might be hot.
And
You don't want to burn your mouth on a Pop-Tart.
yeah, because they're delicious. So you'll keep on eating it, but you'll keep on burning your mouth. So let's wait till they cool
Now
down.
you gotta cool it off. Why don't you guys sing a song? I'm cooling my Pop-Tarts. I hope they don't make me burn. That's not a good song. Let's think of songs.
Hush, little baby.
Don't say a word. Don't burn your mouth on a Pop-Tart. A geeky waka woo. You like making up your own words. Wowza. That's quite a song.
And if you remember the things I'm bringing, if you've seen the video of the things I'm bringing, then there will, if you haven't, there will be a little box where you click on, and you can see that video. But I'm gonna bring them in.
Big finish. Jazz hands. All right, that's a different video. You already did your card video. Now let's take one of these and blow on it.
So first we're going to try those. First we're going to try these ones, the chocolate ones.
Chocolate peanut butter.
Is it yummy? Are you going to eat a whole one or just a couple bites and then start the other one? Then you can finish off the ones you like the best. So that was the chocolate and peanut butter. Make
Now
sure
let's try
it's not too hot.
the...
Frosted strawberry.
That was just Daddy talking.
Yeah, the tech producer.
Yum.
Yum. You guys like both. This is going to be hard. Can't tell which one you like the best.
Not hard for me.
No?
Nope.
All
I
right.
like them both, but one more than the other.
But we don't know which one, except that you took a giant bite of that one and only a little bite of the chocolate one. So my guess is you love the chocolate one and you want to save it for later. Really? I was joking. Oh, he's spitting! Look out! He's spitting at you. It's not a strawberry sprinkler Pop-Tart. You're supposed to sprinkle out of your mouth when you're eating. Oh, look, there's more chocolate. You're like the Cookie Monster. Just caw, 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 when they just fall out of your mouth. Well, which one do you like best? Do you like that one or the chocolate one best? What do you think?
Both.
Both equally? Why don't you try one bite of each like this? See if they're good together. Then you have chocolate and peanut butter and strawberry and frosting. What? This seems crazy. What do you think? Not as good as one or the other.
Great!
It's great! Ta-da! And you got a big enough mouth, you can put 2 in. You might have a big enough mouth, put 4 in. No, I'm just kidding.
You gotta try both at the same time, Brennan.
Oh. It's worth trying, he's saying.
No, it might...
I like this
ice
one
Well, hold on,
better
take turns.
than this one.
You like which one?
This
Chocolate
one,
peanut butter one, better than the strawberry one. And Cole, what's your favorite?
Both?
Both are your favorite?
Yeah,
And
when I eat them
together. That sounds like a way to get all the goodies. Okay, so that sounds like they're both really good.
You should try both of them.
There you go. Chocolate, peanut butter, Pop-Tart. That's a nouveau, as they say in Quebec. Nouveau. Or new. And old, I mean, this classic strawberry Pop-Tart with frosting. Good.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, Pop-Tart. From my mouth and pull a Pop-Tart. But I'm done.
Bye, everybody. See you next time.